All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 13 of our February daily math. We have a part-whole problem. So I see we're missing a part. So if we're missing one part, then we need to subtract one part from the whole. So 8 minus 4, let's cover up the zeros, 8 minus 4 is 4. So 80 minus 40 would be 40. All right. Number 2, Jeff has 3 quarters. Serena has 15 cents more. How much money does Serena have? So if Jeff has 3 quarters, that's 25, 50, 75 cents. Plus one more 10 would be, goes from 75 to 85. And then a nickel, counting by fives from 85, would be 90. So again, 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75, and then a dime would make it 85, and then a nickel would make it 90 cents. Very nice. All right, number 3, put a dot at about the spot where 645 is on this number line. So on this number line, it's counting by tens. So every one of these ends in a 0, which means they're all a 10. So let's look at 645. So we're really going to focus on this part to start. Well, there's 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. There's 64, right? So it's going to be between 640 and 650. Now we look at this, the ones digit, and that tells us we are exactly halfway between 640 and 650. So our dot is going to be right there. Okay, that is 645. Very nice. Number 4, Max knows how to play 14 songs on his guitar. He wants to learn double that number. How many songs does he want to learn? Now, he knows 14, okay, but he wants to learn double that. So what's double 14? Well, 14 plus 14. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 1 plus 1 is 2. How many? Next word is song, so that's going to be our label. 28 songs. Very good. Ariana's mother made 48 chocolate cupcakes and 12 vanilla cupcakes. She put 1 candy heart on each cupcake. How many candy hearts did she use? Okay, so it doesn't matter necessarily. We're not talking about just the chocolate ones or just the vanilla. We need to combine those, right? So we need to combine 48 plus 12. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. So they're going to have a total of 60 cupcakes. Now, if she puts 1 candy heart on each cupcake, that would be like 60 times 1, right? And that would equal 60 candy hearts. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much. Great work on your daily math. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 14.